Now we will show you the newly manufactured and repaired automatic logistics robot welding production line for the middle trough, used in coal mine transportation. The welding production line consists of two dual robot welding stations, an internal seam welding station, and an automatic logistics system. It can be used to meet the welding requirements of new middle channel workpieces, as well as for butt welding repairs of worn parts on old workpieces. Safety is enhanced with AI cameras monitoring intrusion, smoke, and PPE compliance. The system also links tubes, allowing seamless production tracking and data-driven decision-making.